This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap for Wednesday, July 25th, 2007. Stocks closed higher today after companies reported strong earnings. The Dow Jones closed higher by 67.80, finishing the session at 13,787. And the S&P 500 followed suit, closing higher by 7 points at 1518. And the tech-heavy Nasdaq continued its bull run. It closed higher by 8.3 points at 2648. The National Association of Realtors reported that U.S. sales of existing homes fell 3.8% in June to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 5.75 million, the lowest rate since November 2002. Sales in June were down 11.4% from June 2006. Inventories of unsold homes on the market fell by 180,000 or 4.2% to 4.2 million, representing an 8.5-month supply at the June sales pace. The month supply was also 8.8 months in May, the highest since 1992. PIMCO bond fund manager Bill Gross is warning that weakness in junk bonds and subprime mortgage markets could lead to 5 to 10% correction in U.S. stock markets. He added that the market prices don't always move in tandem with changing fundamentals concerns about valuations between stocks and bonds. Gross also said it is interesting how much emphasis has recently been given to the Federal Reserve's speculation about short-term rates. Toyota Motor unveiled a plug-in hybrid based on its popular Prius model, saying it would test the fuel-saving vehicle on public roads first, a first for the industry. But the world's biggest automaker said the car, called the Toyota Plug-in HV, was not fit for commercialization since it uses low-energy nickel metal hydrate batteries instead of lithium-ion batteries, believed to be better fit for rechargeable plug-in cars. Siemens announced it will sell its video auto parts unit to Germany's Continental AG in 11.4 billion euros deal, ending speculation that it was going to spin off the unit independently. The decision did not come as a great surprise, given that Continental said last month it had made a preliminary bid for the auto electronics units of Siemens AG. In earnings news, Boeing reported that it earned $1.1 billion in the second quarter, compared with a year-ago loss, as it continues to build momentum against European rival Airbus. For the quarter ending June 30th, the company earned $1.35 per share. Analysts expected earnings of $1.16 per share. General Dynamics reported its second quarter earnings fell 19% from a year-ago period that was boosted by an asset sale, but said profits from ongoing operations rose on demand for its warships and aerospace products. Net income slid to $513 million or $1.26 per share. Analysts were expecting $1.17 a share. Investors went on an Amazon.com Inc. shopping spree after the web retailer said second quarter profits more than tripled thanks to strong sales of books, music, and electronics worldwide. And Amazon's earnings climbed to $78 million or 19 cents per share from $22 million or 5 cents per share during the same period last year. Sales jumped 35% to $2.8 billion. Xerox reported its net income totaled $266 million in the second quarter, a 3.2% increase from a year earlier, on strength in revenue from financing and office equipment, services, and supplies. Earnings for the April-June period worked out to 28 cents a share, up from the year earlier profit of $260 million or 26 a share. Scheduled earnings reports for Thursday include initial jobless claims data for the week of July 21st, durable goods for June, new home sales for June, and the Help Wanted Index for June. Scheduled earnings reports for Thursday include ExxonMobil, Office Depot, Coca-Cola, Black & Decker, Dow Chemical, Bristol-Myers Squibb, 3M, Blockbuster, Six Flags, Ballard Power, Frontier Airlines, Aetna, Beezer Homes, Raytheon, Axam Satellite Radio, D.R. Horton's, Mylan Labs, Goodyear, Royal Dutch Shell, and U.S. Airways. This has been the Premier Trade Market Rep for Wednesday, July 25th, 2007.